Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma file recovery problems in 2026. If you're unable to recover a file, missing recent changes, or can't find a deleted design, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check the Recent Files section in your Figma account. Sometimes files are moved or overlooked rather than permanently lost. Next, open the project and review the version history. Figma automatically saves changes, and you may be able to restore an earlier version of the file. Now check whether the file was moved to another team, workspace, or draft section. Files can sometimes appear missing when they've simply been relocated. If the issue involves a deleted file, check whether your team administrator has access to recovery options or backups. Next, make sure you're signed in to the correct Figma account. Using the wrong account can make it seem like files have disappeared. Now verify that your internet connection is stable so Figma can properly load cloud-based file data. If you're using Figma in a browser, clear your cache and cookies, and then reload the platform. Next, try accessing the file from a different browser or device to rule out local issues. Now check your shared files and project folders to make sure the file hasn't been renamed or transferred by a collaborator. Finally, if you still can't recover the file, contact Figma support and provide as much information as possible about the missing project. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma file recovery problems. You should now have a better chance of locating, restoring, or recovering your important design files. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.